Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to clean up around the farm. So, guys, while we wait for Scoops to fill up with fuel there, Uncle Craig, it's spring. Craig's ready to make his garden. There's all our projects kind of piled on the edge of Craig's garden, so we're going to try to get as much as that moved today. There's the DWD Neurofront 45. We got to get it moved. We're going to push the long back because it goes to the shop. We're going to see if we can get the little cub to run, which we might not put all that into Scoops. But anyways, so guys, we got to move the little cub. We need to move the 1066. See if we can get the combine fired up and get it moved. And I figured I got to get this done, and I might as well take you all along with me to get it done. So let's get started. Okay, guys, this is Future Dan. I'm going through editing. I figured I needed to let you guys know that the footage is a little jumpy. It jumps a little bit from here to the next thing. Not my camera. I'm gonna do it here. Alright. I'm gonna hop off. I'm going to take the chain down there. I'm gonna hook it around the top side so it don't slide off. And then we're gonna take this thing to the back, out of the front up here, because we want to get this. Oh, guys, we got all the tractors and stuff. We're gonna get the long. We're gonna shove it backwards. We're gonna take the little cub and we're gonna get it moved. We got to fire up the 1066 and get it moved. We got to get the our A-frame hoist moved, the combine moved, and anything else. And we all got to do it, get it done before it rains. So I'm gonna let you guys go for a second, and then I'll be right back with you. Put it in me first. Move it hard. Let's go. Other way, away from the tree, away from the tree. Away from the trailer. Sorry guys, trying to look over my shoulder, see where I'm going. Alright guys, I think I filmed enough for this. I need both hands for a little bit. So I'm going to let you guys go for a second. And we'll pick up where we drop this thing off. Well guys, got it picked up. Trying to figure out, it's hard to drive Scoops. And film. Scoops is hard to drive in the first place. So, are we going to get the... Yes, we are. No. Hold on, guys. No, 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 other way. Ah, poopy.
A few moments later.
Okay, so guys, this is hard to do with you guys. And Minty leaves some stinking tires in the way. Alright. It's gonna take a little bit of work, guys. And they said Minty left some tires behind us. Alrighty, here we go. Got this going. Don't know. That was harder than it needed to be. Let's go set this over by the grain bin over here. It's kind of breezy. I think the rain's gonna come in before we get this done though. Alright. No, stop. Sit, scoots. And down. Now, stop. Forward. This down. Down. In circles. I don't know what's next to do. Alrighty. Let's figure out what I need to do next. Should I... Well, I think we're gonna stop here. I think we maybe, if we can, get a little battery in the cub, or the little cubby. Move the cub. Hey, let me show enough scoops. I think that's next. Let's drop the forks. Then we're gonna get a battery in the cub and see if we can get it to fire and run and go. Move it's next. Kind of need to move the long before we can move the combine. And the 66, all I care, I think we could let it sit. Because Craig's probably going to use it. That way Craig can use the chisel and break his garden open. So guys, I'm going to go and cut here for a second. And I'm going to go get the battery for the little cub. And we'll see where we're at. So I had to move that. But before I get back on the tractor, I want to show you up on Scoops, on loader tractor. Here. Show you this oil. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Kind of awful thin for diesel fuel or diesel oil. I think it has, it smells like diesel, guys. It smells like diesel. So I'm gonna get it back up here on Scoopies. We'll shove this thing out of the way. We'll tie the string around the video and call it a day. We're just going to end up going straight back. Which is fine. I'd haul this thing out of here, out of up front here, but I like to get this thing up to the shop. So I'm going to Crazy D to help me get this thing up to the shop. Before we can get it in, before we can fix the issues she has. I hope you guys could hear me over Scoop. She's such a loud old girl. And I got a pretty decent muffler on her, and I gotta figure out where I want to spark Scoopies. Don't run over the cub. All right. Okay, guys, so we're done for the day. I filmed the ending over there where we were working, and my camera didn't work correctly for some reason. So we're at the point, guys, where if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Haven't subscribed yet, there's a little button down there somewhere. Go ahead and hit that button, and then after you do that, there's a little bell. Go ahead and ding that little bell because it lets you know when the next video comes out. Otherwise, guys, like I always say, I think if I haven't said it yet, but if you feel like sharing it, go ahead and share it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.